Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Glad to have you here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to set up our Philips Hue lights next to or with our Amazon Echo here that we have. So I'm going to show you the full setup process of your Philips Hue, and then I'm going to show you the full setup process of your Amazon Echo device and getting those two integrated. So let's get going right after this. First up is the light bulb itself. All we bought today was a single white light bulb. We don't have one of the color ones from Hue there. That's all you get in the package is a light bulb and instructions. The other component you're going to need is the Hue Bridge. This bridge connects directly to your router, and from there it takes care of the rest. But you're going to need both of those components in order to set this system up. Now it comes with its own AC adapter and its own Ethernet cable. Here's what it looks like all set up and connected to my router. Now let's go ahead and get this set up on your iPhone or your Android device. So what you're going to need is the Philips Hue application, and right away on entering it starts searching for the bridge. There's nothing you have to do here, it just finds it once it's connected to your router. We're going to go ahead here and click Setup. And then it asks us to actually push the button. So you go ahead, push the button, and then this is what comes up. Basically a terms of service agreement. And then it does ask you to update right away. Now I'm not going to show you the whole update process because it's really just watching a screen. Once your device is updated, you're able to move forward, and then we're starting to get into some of the configuration here. So this is just talking about HomeKit and Siri, which I'll show you another time here, but today we're just setting it up with the iPhone. But you can use HomeKit and Siri. Now in here we have the light setup. So I'm going to go ahead and add a light because I have my white light. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit search. Now right away comes up the lamp, which I have connected. I did have it turned on. You do have to have it turned on in order to find it. Now you can rename, create a new title for it. So if it's in a specific spot, you want to call it that, go ahead and call it that. That'll help you identify it later in the process. Once you've done that, now what you have is the ability to add that light to a room. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create my basement living room here because that's where I actually have this light. The different rooms allow us to set up a different breakdown of your lights, allow you to control them at different times. They allow you to do a lot. So now I have my basement living room light set up, and I can just tap the little button here to turn it on and off. The light comes on and off. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you what they call the Friends of Hue. Within this section of the application, all they're going to show you is the different types of integration that you can do. So right away you can see Apple HomeKit, Google, Nest, Amazon Echo, If This Then That, and Logitech. All of those are able to integrate with your Philips Hue. Okay, so now that we have the Philips Hue portion set up, let's go ahead and get our Echo all set up here. Now, I'm going to do this on an Android tablet, but this would be just as easy on an iOS device or even on a PC or a Mac just online using the web address we gave you in the original Alexa setup, which I'll put in the top right now. You can go watch that if you don't quite have that set up. But let's get rolling here. So I'm going to head into the application here for Alexa. And as I get in there, this is going to be a pretty quick setup process here. We're going to head straight into the smart home section of the application, which is just the top left there. You head into the menu and you go to smart home here, and you can see we only have one smart home skill enabled, so we're going to go ahead. That was our Wemo in a past video there. I'm going to enable a new skill here, and all we've got to do is find Hue. So we're going to go ahead and just search in the smart home box there. Right away it comes up here. We've got Hue ready, and we're going to go ahead and enable those skills. So we're enabling the skill within the application here, and what they need you to do is connect your account. Now, I had previously used my Google account, which you saw earlier in the video. So I'm going to use that again here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click yes to grant permission. And now we're all connected. So our Echo is now connected to our Philips Hue lights. And so what happens right away is inside of your devices here in the smart home section, you will see that you're going to get more devices here. And there you go. Now, what's really great about this, what I really like about this setup versus, you know, maybe the Google Home or some of the other setups that I've seen, this actually brought in all of our previously set up rooms. It also brought in all of the Hue lights as an option, so we can tell our Echo to turn on all of our Hue lights, or we can say just room by room we can add lights on or off. So now there's not a lot more to go on here. You could set up different scenes, you could set up different groups, but for now, we're just gonna focus on what we've got set up here. You're ready to go with your Philips Hue, so let's do a quick demo. Alexa, turn on white basement lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, change white basement lamp to 50.
A few things share that name. Which one did you want?
White basement lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off white basement lamp.
Okay.